and welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Dancing with Your Ghost by Sasha Sloan. So I've already done a Sasha Sloan tutorial, so I'll just link that down below in case you're interested. I've also linked down below the full chords and lyrics as well. I'll attempt to sing each section just as a reference point. So this one's in the key of B major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of B major. It's 5 sharp, so we're dealing with all of the black keys. Here is middle C as a reference if you locate that pitch on your keyboard or piano. So we're going to start with the intro, and this makes up the verse part as well. So I'm going to teach both hands at the same time. So right hand is orange and left hand is going to be colour coded blue. So the first chord is G sharp minor. So it's G sharp in the left hand, again here is middle C. And the right hand is going to play second inversion of G sharp minor. So it's D sharp, G sharp and B. I'm going to play that twice. And then you're going to change your G sharps to just Gs. This gives us G augmented, so and then we have B major over F sharp. So it's F sharp in the left hand and first inversion of B major in the right hand. So it's D sharp, F sharp and B. Obviously I'm just moving my other fingers out the way. Don't play like this, play like this. Play that twice. And then we have E major root position. So it's E, G sharp and B with E in the left hand. We're going to play the E twice and then change to a D sharp. Then we have C sharp minor 7. So you're just going to keep your right hand on E major and just change the left hand to a C sharp, because this is C sharp minor 7 chord. So you can play the C sharp in there if you want to with your right hand, but it's not necessary because the left hand's playing it instead. Back to the G sharp minor for 2. And then we play the E major again for 4 beats this time. So let's do all of that intro again. Into the verse, so you do that chord progression, exactly that, just 2 more times. I'll just demonstrate it now. Yelling at the sky, screaming at the world, baby why'd you go away, I'm still your girl, holding on too tight, head up in the clouds, heaven only knows where you are now. So now we're leading into the pre-chorus. So that last E major, we've only played it 3 times. And basically it's going to turn your E's into D sharps. And this gives us a passing chord of G sharp minor over D sharp. Now we're into the how do I love again. So we've got the C sharp minor 7, B major, so how we played it before but with a B in the bass this time. How do I love again? And then E major 3 times. Turn them into D sharps. We've got that passing chord again. How do I trust? How do I trust again? Stay up. And we add the depth of the lowest E in there if you can as well, but just start playing a lower E when we build up to the chorus. So I'll do that again. How do I love again? How do I trust again? I stay up all night. Okay, so now we're into the chorus. So we're going to come and play lower notes. I know my lowest note is out of shot. I'm just playing octaves. So we've got an E's, E major, E, G sharp and B. I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. So here we have B major, how we played it there, but here this time an octave lower. But baby, you're just harder to see them. So here we have F sharp major, so F sharp, and then root position, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. We have G sharp minor next for 2 beats, so G sharp, B and D sharp. Back down to F sharp major for 2 beats. So I'll just do what we've done so far of the chorus. That bit's the same. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Okay, so at the end it's just E to B, E to B, E to B. We're not going to do any of the bass part because the actual bass in the track is changing the bass notes. We're just going to be doing like the piano chords part, and it keeps it a bit easier to sing along with as well. So at the end, after we've done the E, B, E, B, E, B, again it's all on the screen. You should be noting this down with pen and paper or pencil and paper. We've got another passing chord at the B, and then we turn our B's into A sharps for 1 beat, and then it's into the next verse. So I'll just do all of that chorus now. I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear a song. So 2 beats each there. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the verse is the same as before, but it's just for once this time we don't repeat it. So you can play up there again if you want to, but I'm going to continue it in this octave. So from the G sharp minor. Never got the chance to say let's goodbye. Into the bridge. So the bridge is just the pre-chorus, but it's all going to be in the right hand. So we have C sharp minor first inversion, so it's E, G sharp and C sharp. How do I love the B major chord? How do I love again? E major chord. if you can't stretch the octave of this next chord, you can borrow your left hand. So it's D sharp, G sharp, B, and D sharp. So it's like G sharp minor over D sharp. Again, it's the same chords pretty much as the pre-chorus. So I'll do that again. How do I love again? How do I trust again? So this second time, it's C sharp minor, and then we have D sharp minor 7. So it's D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and then E major specifically in second inversion. So it's B, E, and G sharp. So I'll do all that again. So again, use your left hand if you want to, but I'll just use on my right hand. How do I love again? How do I trust again? I stay up all night. Okay, so now we have this broken up bit, which is why my camera is shifted a bit more this way in this tutorial, because we have this D sharp here. So you're going to hold an E down, and the right hand is going to play these notes in an Alberti bassline fashion. So F sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. So this kind of makes E major 7, like add 2. So we're going to play the E and the G sharp together, and you're going to go middle, low, high, low, middle, low, high, low. I stay up all night, tell myself you do that twice, and then the same pattern, your left hand comes to B, and the right hand, we're going to play B's together. B, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, B, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp. So do that again. I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright, baby, you're just... Then we have like D sharp minor over A sharp. So A sharp in the left hand, and the right hand, it's we're going to play A sharp, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, F sharp, D sharp, F sharp. And then we have back to the B major shape in the right hand, but with a G shape in the left hand. So G sharp and B together. And just play that once, and then it just stops, it breaks. I'll do all of that section again. I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright, baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear our song. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. So when it kicks back in, it's just E, B, E, B, E, B. And then the very end, it comes up and plays E major into the B. So it just moves everything up an octave, and then it ends it there. Yelling at the sky, screaming at the world. Baby, why'd you go away? I'm still your girl. Holding on to So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.